Hello. Today what I wanted to do is show you my self bow that I made. I was at the Puckerbruch gathering in Maine this summer and met Stim Wilcox. He's a master at self bows, has a book out as well. And he gave me some tutelage on how to fashion this into a very decent self bow. Now, I've made self bows myself since a kid, but when a master gives you some instructions and such, you listen. Now, this one here is very unique. You can see there is more twists and curves in this that you would never think this would make a good bow. But if it's done right, it can shoot just as straight as a professional one. This bow here is not tillered to perfection. I didn't have time to finish it. But I had taken it down to the shooting range when I got it thus far. I shot a few, shot pretty decent. I haven't shot a bow in a long time. I hurt my shoulder, so I couldn't. So I've only shot probably a dozen arrows in a couple years. So they hit the target, but they did not hit anywhere near close to bullseye. I have to do a lot of practice. So I passed it over to a couple fellas there that shoot bow all the time and for many years. One of them instructs bow courses. So I let him try this, and he said he shot a lot of bows, but he's never shot a stick. Well, he shot it and he said, wow, he said, that's impressive. That there, he said, shoots as well as my $1,200 recurve. So I was very impressed with that. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to string this up and just show you what it looks like after it's strung. There it is, strung. As you see, it's not perfect curves, but when you have something like this, it's a little difficult. And for me, as long as it shoots straight, that's what matters. I'm going to take a couple shots with this, just show you how it works. So this here, as you see, is shooting pretty decent. My aim isn't as good as it used to be for sure. That target, some of them actually are hitting and dropping or just barely going in. That target is pretty wore out and it's wide now, so it absorbs a lot of shock. But does the job and a lot of fun to shoot. Definitely would be a good small game at 30 to 35 pounds if I had to. But it's kind of special to me because I had Stim helping me with it, and also I had a lot of fun at Puckerbruch, and this here will bring back memories. Every time I grab or shoot it, I'll remember the folks down there. So I just want to show that to you, show that it doesn't have to be perfectly straight to fire straight. I mean, that's putting them in. They're going straight. My aim isn't the best, but they're going straight. I want to thank you for watching. Take care, and all the best.